Hey there, I'm Ken Crra with EmployTest, and we have an app that administers pre-employment tests to job applicants. And we developed the app about 3 years ago. Our developer created it, but the UI that he created was not great. So we searched out and found Million Labs and Verina's team there, and they redesigned the UI and also have provided the maintenance and support, adding new features for the app over the past few years. They've really done a great job. They've worked on it very diligently and very conscientiously with great customer service attitude, really deep support bench as well. So it's been a success. And I encourage anyone looking into this sort of, or who has this sort of need to work with Million Labs team. We have nothing but good things to say about them.